clips, when you put them on, you gotta make sure they're tight. If they're loose, they'll fall off. This one has no tip. Oh. There it goes. That crud on the inside or something.
What's in inside?
Got crud in there or something.
Oh.
Well, right there, it gets tight this way.
No.
Not this way. Got a burr in there. Got a machine this flat. So it doesn't have a curve like that. So it pushes flat on the pin and knocks it out. You heat the piston up and it'll fall out. It's not one come out. This one. We'll have to work on that a little bit. It should be free floating, not hammer in, hammer out. Still a little warm. A little cold. Measure in. Okay, rod set. Look at the rod set. Replacement rod set, Japanese quality, not China or Taiwan. Let's see if they're worth anything. As usual, they're undersized slightly. 4/10 instead of 5/10 like it's supposed to be. Consistent. Good. Okay, crank pin. Fairly decent finish, not super smooth, but the grind is smooth, but they're not polished. You see how they're machined. It's like about 4/10 under. Yep. 4/10. And maybe 3 down there. Probably 3. Maybe 2 there. 3. 3.5. So not real good on the straightness. It's kind of weak. This is pretty good here, but this is kind of wonky over here. It's like a low spot in there someplace. Well, look at that. Sucks. Swaley's like almost as not as bad as S&S, but it's trying to get there. Okay, so we're about 3. Okay, we're gonna call this thing 3. You filming yet?
Yep.
Oh, good. 3. I'm gonna call it 3. Close enough. Okay, what's 3 from 0? 7. 7/10 clearance is not enough. We need 9 to 10. This finish looks good. Look at that.
Yeah, this.
Did a good job on those. Okay, we already set our gauge, remember?
I do.
Tight. 0. 7. Your bearings are 1 and you got 9. You're on the tight side, 9. How hard are you gonna run this bike?
Not hard. Well, not all the time, anyways.
A little bit looser than I want. A little bit tighter than I want them to be, but they're even. Nice and round, unlike most import companies like S&S. Those types. You can't make a round hole. Alright, we're right at 9/10, 8.5, 9/10. So you're gonna drive it nice and easy and like an old fart. It's good. If you want to drive it hard, you have to hone it out a little bit.
I'd like to have the option to drive hard, yeah.
You want options now.
I do want options.
Oh shit. Not much of an option. Hard option.
A couple tenths of an option.
Yeah. So you only get dirty is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to
You
avoid
live
that.
for it, you know it.
I was trying to avoid eating that. Ooh. Now that is loose. At least they got those loose. They're ready to go boogie. See how the wrist pin of this wasn't anywhere near that loose.
Yep.
Okay, so you want me to make this looser. These looser. So all this needs to be loosened up. But not these. Pin bushings are good. Crush oil. Crush leaks.
I get around you.
Around me.
Yep.
Everything.
That's right. I want it now.
You want it now?
So I can sit down up here.
Down, around. I'm gonna get rid of hot air. Ooh, it's hot now. It's warmed up in here now. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna put this back in a couple minutes. And then I will be getting my life. I had to go get my honing shirt, see?
There you go.
That's what I did when I took off earlier. I'm gonna hone cylinders, gonna get dirty. Okay, let's get this out of my way. I want this guy right here. Okay, we want a fine finish, right? 9 to 3. I lost one of these on my move. How do you lose one of these? I don't know. Kind of needed though. Cut the crap. be a real fine finish. It looks like a trunk. This side's smaller than the FS one. You have to hunt it more this way. Knock the blaze off so we're home. Clunk going on? Okay, that one's done. They're nice and loose now. Go out and boogie loose. That's what you wanted, right?
Yep.
Okay, what's this one? That's one. Not quite the hammer outfit it was. Alright. A little better fitting now?
Much better. Yep.
Okay. You're back. There'll be some cleaning.